Hello, Nevis here. I'm going to show how to close a project when you've done an eTwinning project with another school or other schools. You need to close the project so that you can apply for the national quality label. So I'm here in my eTwinning Live page. What I need to do is go over to my project, doing that now. Okay, so I need to look at the active projects, and when I look at, this is the one I'm going to close at the moment, fake news and disinformation. As you can see, I've already applied for the quality label. I've downloaded the registration. I've got my TwinSpace, which is still open. I can talk to my NSS here, the image gallery, and then there's this button called Close Project. Now, if you are not an admin or an admin teacher with admin rights or not one of the founders, you may not see this close project here. So, not a worry, just make sure then that someone who has admin rights goes ahead and does that. So let's go in now. I'm going to click on Close Project. And it says, are you sure you want to close this project? You say yes. And that's it. That's how easy it is. So let's press OK to reload the projects list. And there it is. It's now a closed project down here. Okay? But the TwinSpace is always open. So let's go and have a look at that. I'm going to open that in a new tab. And here is the TwinSpace, which is still visible for everyone to have a look at. So, and this is the public area, which everyone can see, and normally just the home. The pages, materials, forum, online meetings, and members is only available to the teachers that were involved or the students that have access to the TwinSpace. So, that's all from me now. Let's just go back to the eTwinning Live and go back to the home page. Okay, that's it. This is Nevis signing off. Till next time.